265 centimeters in feet? First of all, we need to know the value of 1 centimeter in feet. It's always 1 centimeter equals 0.03280839895 feet. Now we have to multiply 0.03280839895 by 265. Therefore, 265 centimeters times 0.03280839895 feet equals 8.6942257217 feet. So, in other words, 265 centimeters equals 8.6942257217 feet. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.